Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring the basics are active. Open the Google Opinion Rewards app and sign in with the Google account you use most. Once done, grant location and notification permissions so Google can detect survey opportunities near you. Make sure app-level location is set to high accuracy. Also confirm your Google account has a valid payment profile and age set correctly, because eligibility checks run automatically. So enable sync and move on to actively creating conditions that trigger surveys. Now you create triggers that prompt surveys. Visit places like stores, cafes, and transit hubs while location history is on. These visits often generate quick retail or place visit questions. Use Google Maps for directions and submit ratings or photos when relevant, because Google ties activity to the likelihood of a survey. In addition, search for recent purchases, flights, or local services in your account. These contextual signals increase survey relevance. Vary times and locations to broaden the pool. Finish by staying responsive. Open the app daily and answer short surveys promptly, because quick responses improve future selection rates. Review settings for account, language, and region. Incorrect region can block surveys, so make corrections and keep location history active. If you stop receiving surveys, try toggling location history, clearing app cache, or reinstalling the app. Also confirm your account hasn't been flagged. One key troubleshooting tip: if surveys vanish, switch to Wi-Fi plus mobile data briefly and restart the device to refresh location and account signals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.